Listen to me. I need you to lean in and pay very close attention to what I am about to tell you today, because your hard-earned money is on the line. If you are sitting there holding a PaysafeCard voucher, or maybe somebody gave you one as a gift, and you are asking yourself, how on earth do I get this money into my PayPal account without having a physical card? I want you to stop right where you are. Stop clicking around the internet, stop looking for quick fixes, and just take a deep breath with me. Now, why am I speaking so directly to you about this? Because when we are retired, or when we are standing right on the doorstep of retirement, every single dollar matters. We do not have time, and we certainly do not have money, to waste on mistakes, hidden fees, or worse, online scams. So let us get right to the bottom line. Can you transfer money directly from a regular 16-digit PaysafeCard voucher straight into your PayPal account balance without using a card? The plain, simple, honest truth is, no. You cannot. I know that is not what you were hoping to hear. You wanted a simple button to press that says, move money from PaysafeCard to PayPal. But the reality is that PaysafeCard and PayPal are two completely different financial systems. PaysafeCard is a prepaid voucher system designed for anonymous, cash-based online buying. PayPal is a digital wallet tied tightly to regulated financial institutions and verified identities. They do not talk directly to each other. They were never built to move money back and forth between each other like that. Now, here is the danger, and this is where I need you to protect yourself. If you go onto search engines or video platforms right now and type in how to exchange PaysafeCard to PayPal, you are going to see dozens of websites, online forums, and strangers claiming, oh, just use our instant exchange tool. Just send us your 16-digit code, and we will send PayPal money right to your email. Do not do it. Do you hear me? Do not walk into that trap. Most of those third-party exchange websites are flat-out scams designed to steal your 16-digit PIN code. The moment you type your voucher code into their unauthorized form, your balance is gone forever. And even if you happen to find one that isn't an outright scam, they will gouge you with outrageously high fees, taking 20%, 30%, or even 50% of your money just to process a transfer. You worked too hard for your retirement savings to let some shady middleman take a massive slice of your funds. So, what is the legitimate, safe, and smart way to get this money into your PayPal account without applying for or using a prepaid card? There is only one safe route, and it involves using your own bank account as a bridge. It takes a little bit of patience, but it costs you next to nothing, and most importantly, your money stays completely safe. Here is exactly how you do it, step by step. First, you need to set up an official online account directly with PaysafeCard, what they call a MyPaysafe account. You register using your real name, email, and basic details. Once that account is set up, you log in and deposit your 16-digit voucher code into your digital Paysafe balance. That takes the cash value off that little paper receipt and stores it securely inside your official account. Second, you go to the payout or withdrawal section inside your MyPaysafe account. Paysafe allows you to request a bank transfer payout. You will enter your personal checking or savings account details, the bank account that you already use and trust every single day. You confirm the payout, and Paysafe will send those funds directly into your real bank account via a standard bank transfer. Now, I want to manage your expectations here. This step does not happen in 5 seconds. A standard bank payout from Paysafe can take anywhere from a couple of business days up to a week or more to process, depending on where you live and your specific bank. But that is okay. Patience is a financial power. Do not trade safety for speed. Third, once that money lands safely in your regular bank account, you simply log into your PayPal account. From your PayPal wallet dashboard, you select Transfer Money and choose to add money from your linked bank account into your PayPal balance. Within a few days, your money is sitting right where you wanted it, inside your PayPal account, 100% legal, 100% safe, and without paying outrageous middleman fees. Now, let us ask an even bigger question. Why do you need the money in PayPal in the first place? If you are trying to buy something online and the merchant only accepts PayPal, remember this, you might not even need to move the money into PayPal at all. If you have items you buy regularly online, see if you can use your bank account directly, or simply use the original PaysafeCard voucher where it is already accepted. But if PayPal is an absolute must, using your trusted bank account as the bridge between the two is your only secure option when you don't have a physical or virtual payment card linked. Let's summarize the rules to keep your money safe. Rule number 1. Never, ever give your 16-digit PaysafeCard PIN code to anyone online who promises an instant PayPal swap. That code is just like cash. Once you give it away, it is gone. Rule number 2. Only use official channels. Use the official MyPaysafe website to redeem your code and request a payout to your verified bank account. Rule number 3. Protect your peace of mind. If a process online sounds too complicated, too good to be true, or asks you to jump through strange financial hoops, stop immediately. Managing your finances in retirement is all about simplicity, security, and standing tall in your decisions. Don't let tech confusion make you feel vulnerable. Take control of your money, follow the safe steps, and keep every single dollar right where it belongs, in your hands. You can do this, you can do it safely, and you are in control.